So I welcome you all. Now you all should know what the Science Academy basically does. Science Academy, it is a leading institute in Maharashtra which is successfully coaching the students for various other batches, various other courses, one of which is the IIT Foundation course. This basically is a course wherein the students who are aspirants for IIT and NEET examinations, they basically join the batch in 9th standard or 10th standard. So that is the foundation batch, so that we prepare the students for the JEE mains and advanced as well as the NEET examination right from 9th or 10th standard as they join us. Science Academy also conducts a batch of 11th and 12th science regular for both the syllabuses, for both curriculum CBSE and HSC. As well as with the regular batch, JEE mains and advanced coaching has been given along with NEET and CET as per the options that are being chosen by the students. At the end of the board examinations, for 40 days, we conduct crash course wherein the students, we who are not in our regular batch, along with them, the students from the periphery of Nasik, as well as many places from out of Nasik district, they join us for the crash course for JEE mains, advanced, NEET and CET. Then we also conduct the vacation batches. These vacation batches are basically for the students, those who come from the remote places, the students of Nasik as well. They join this because instead of going the vacation a waste, they make best use of the 50 days of vacation wherein we complete the entire syllabus of the batches they have chosen for. For example, if the child is coming with us for 10th standard batch, then we complete the syllabus of 10th standard board examination within those 50 days. So similarly is with 8th standard, 9th, 11th and 12th standard. The Science Academy is also tied up with Boys Town Junior College, which is in Nasik. This college provides a platform for the students, those who aspire for JEE mains and advanced and NEET. If they join Science Academy, they automatically, if they wish to join the college which is associated with Science Academy, they get admission into Boys Town Junior College. So this is Science Academy, which has provided a platform to all of us.